Hi guys, this is our day 7 shadowing story practice. So, we'll keep talking about English habits that will improve your English. Today's story is about the habit of learning phrases, not just words alone. You can shadow the story. As you already know, shadowing is a great technique to improve your English. You can repeat along with me, or you pause the video, then repeat after me. Sophia had a list on her phone, not a vocabulary list, not single words with translations next to them. This list was different. It had phrases, full, small, real phrases that people actually said in stores. Can I help you find something? I'm just looking. Thanks. Do you have these in a different size? Where can I find the... I'll take this one. Could I get a bag, please? She had studied them that morning in her apartment in Berlin. She was from Mexico, and her English was at that frustrating middle place, good enough to understand, not comfortable enough to speak without stopping. She had tried learning single words for years. For example, sleeve, receipt, exchange. She knew many words, but in a real store with a real person waiting, the words sat in her head like furniture in a locked room. She could see them. She couldn't reach them fast enough. A teacher had told her once, native speakers don't pull out words one by one. They use whole chunks. Learn the chunk, not just the word. Sophia had written that down. Then, slowly, she had started building her list. Today, she was going to use it. The store was large and warm. Winter coats near the entrance. Sophia was looking for a jacket, something for the Berlin cold, which was serious and did not forgive light clothing. A woman in a store's uniform walked toward her. Hi there, can I help you find something? Sophia recognized the phrase immediately. She had read it that morning. Yes, please. I'm looking for a jacket. Something warm for winter. Sure, we have a few options over here. Sophia followed her. Simple, clean. The phrase had worked like a key. She had used the right words and a door had opened. She touched a dark green jacket on the rack. Do you have these in a medium? The woman checked the rack. Let me look. Yes, here you go. Thank you. Can I try it on? Of course. Fitting rooms are just around the corner. Every sentence Sophia used had come from the list, not because she was reading it. Her phone was in her bag, but because she had said those phrases enough times that morning that they lived somewhere accessible now, not in the locked room, closer than that. In the fitting room, the jacket fit well. She looked in the mirror. She thought, I'll take this one. That was on the list too. She came back out. It fits, she said. I'll take this one. Great choice, the woman said. I can take you to the register. At the register, a different person scanned the jacket and said the total. Then he asked something, a full sentence, with a word Sophia didn't know. She caught member and card and understood enough. No, she said, I don't have one. Sorry. No problem at all. She paid. She picked up the bag. Could I get the receipt, please? Sure, I'll print one. She had almost forgotten the receipt, but the phrase was on the list, and the list was in her head, and it had appeared at the right moment, like something floating up from water. Outside, the cold hit her immediately. She put on the jacket standing on the pavement, right there, because it was so cold in Berlin. She thought about the conversation inside. Every useful thing she had said was a phrase, not a single word pulled from a translation, but a whole unit. Can I try it on? I'll take this one. Could I get a receipt? She hadn't translated them. She hadn't built them piece by piece in her head. They had come out whole. That was the difference. She understood it now in her body, not just in her notes. On the way home, she opened her phone and added 3 new phrases to the list. Not words, but the whole thing. Guys, the habit of using English phrases is more effective than just using single words. Did you get it? I hope so. See you next episode. Bye.